Hello, I'm Matt and welcome to Badger Workshop. So you might have seen my unboxing video a couple of weeks ago on this saw. And initially I liked the specs and the performance, but after making those couple of cuts I then went to actually make something at the weekend and use the saw again, and I noticed a couple of problems, so I'll show you what they are. So straight out of the box you can see this damage to the back of the fence. Yeah, I noticed that straight away when I got it out, but it's just cosmetic really. I try and look after my tools, but I'm not precious about them. And could I be bothered to send it back for that? No, I couldn't. But then I went to make some cuts. Now initially I'd made some cuts using the fence, but I hadn't used the ruler because I wasn't actually trying to make anything. So here, that I've hit the blade there, and you can see we're just under 2 centimeters, and I've adjusted it as much as it can go, and we're still nearly 2 centimeters out. At first I thought I was doing something wrong because you've got 2 rulers with 2 scales, and what they are is for this bit can go on in 2 different orientations, but clearly the top one is for it in the orientation it's in now, so there's no way to, that should be 0, and we're on nearly 2, as I say. So the other thing you can do is pull this table out, and then you've got another scale here which continues on, which is handy. But you can see how this sticker's been put on. You know, it's got a terrible cut there. So this scale doesn't work either. When you get the tape out and measure it from there, that's all wrong. So both scales are wrong. The only way I can get it to work is by not closing that extension wing up fully. So if I close this up to there and lock it, then I can have the fence on 0. But why do I want to do that? That's not repeatable. Every time you just want to push it back to there, lock it, and it should be correct. So that's very annoying. So I read the instruction manual. I just thought, I'm being stupid, I must be missing something obvious. But if you saw my video about putting the plane and thickness together, the instruction for the Metabo stuff are appalling. So that was no help whatsoever. So I got the saw from FFX. Same place I got the Bosch saw from, and I've used them quite a few times. Contacted them, sent them some photos, and they've come back to me with 2 options. One is they're sending a replacement out, but it's 13 days until they're expecting some back in stock. And that's if they turn up then, and then they've actually got to get it to me. Or the other option is I can contact Metabo and get replacement parts for it and fit them myself. Well, okay, I contacted Metabo before I even bought this saw and asked them a couple of questions about it. That was about 3 weeks ago. I've had no response from them, and that's me wanting to spend money with them and they can't get back to me. So I don't want to do that. I've just spent over £300 on a saw. Why should I be fixing it myself? It should be fine out the box. I don't want to wait 2 weeks for a replacement, and to be honest, I've lost faith in it. It's okay, it's not a hugely high-end saw, but it is a professional grade saw. Yeah, it should work. So I think it's just going to go back, I'll get a refund, and I will keep looking. So, and to be honest, after this experience and with the frustration of putting the plane and thickness together, I probably won't buy another Metabo item. So yeah, try improving your manuals, your quality control, and replying to your emails. Anyway, I hope this is helpful if anyone's looking at getting one. I would check it straight away, these details. Thank you.